This is Nitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Today we are going to see the Squash and Minkowski inequality theorems. First one, Squash inequality. It's an important, both theorems are very important, 10-mark question. So you can expect in the model as well as the this examination, in what semester examination also. Statement: if S is equal to that Sn, that is sequence n is equal to 1 to infinity and Tn is a sequence or all in the class L squared, then the series that is Sn Tn is absolutely converges, and modulus of Sn Tn is less than or equal to modulus of Sn squared 1 by 2, that is a class, and then modulus of summation Tn squared 1 by 2. So we have to assume that there is at least one Sn, that is Sn is not equal to 0. So otherwise the theorem is trivial. So first we have to prove that n is greater than or equal to n1 for x belongs to R. We have summation x sk plus tk the whole squared is greater than 0. So this can be written as a plus b the whole squared formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is greater than or equal to 0. Now take the summation, that is series should be carried over in each term. So summation x squared sigma sk squared plus 2x into summation sk tk plus summation tk squared is greater than or equal to 0. Now this can be written as ax squared plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0, where a equal to, write the terms, and b equal to c equal to. Now from the calculus we know that the minimum value of ax squared plus bx, that is a greater than or equal to, occurs when x is equal to minus b by 2a. So we should find the value of x here. So let us take the ax squared plus bx plus c as f of x, then f dash of x is 2ax plus b, and apply 0. So 2ax plus b equal to 0. From that x is equal to minus b by 2a. Now we can set x equal to minus b by 2a in ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a into x badala you just substitute here, and b into x badala you can substitute here, plus c greater than or equal to 0 as per the previous here, greater than or equal to 0, a is greater than or equal to 0 and the whole term is greater than or equal to 0. On expanding we have, so this will be write the a value there and this one, then so x b squared less than or equal to 4ac. So b squared just write here, and then less than or equal to 4 into a into c. So 2 squared is 4, then remaining term, then 4 get cancelled. So remaining, take this as second equation. So replacing sk tk by modulus of sk and tk into, so we obtain the modulus symbol, and then it will become as whole power squared whole power 1 by 2. Here also sequence of partial sum of summation sk tk, that is a sequence, is bounded. Therefore this is less than infinity. Therefore it converges absolutely by, we know the theorem. Now we let n approaches into, then we obtain the equation 1, that is modulus of Sn Tn is less than or equal to Sn squared whole power 1 by 2 Tn squared whole power 1 by 2, hence proved. So this is a proof we have to know. Next one we are going to see the Minkowski inequality. This is also very important. If S is equal to Sn and T equal to another sequence in L squared, then the express S plus T. So previous Squash inequality we had seen the product here, addition S plus T. So Sn plus Tn, the sequences n equal to 1 to infinity is L squared, and the series Sn plus Tn the whole squared whole power 1 by 2 less than or equal to summation Sn squared whole power 1 by 2 summation Tn squared 1 by, splitting the series. So proof by the hypothesis the series is Sn squared is converges. Okay, and then by Squash inequality S is equal to Sn squared rather in the class L squared, and this is absolutely converges. Therefore summation Sn Tn is less than or equal to summation Sn squared whole power 1 by 2 summation Tn squared whole power 1 by 2. Therefore the series is also converges. For Sn plus Tn the whole squared is equal to Sn squared plus 2Sn a plus b the whole squared formula only again we are using. So we are splitting like this, summation, using the summation we are splitting, because we are converting as a series. And then now use the Squash quality, that is Sn squared S plus Tn the whole squared is not equal to this term, split like this, and then summation Sn plus Tn the whole squared equal to summation Sn squared the whole power 1 by 2 and this term is also likewise, this is summation Tn squared to the whole power 1 by 2, the whole term a plus b the whole square formula. So this can be written as this Sn squared whole power 1 by 2 and summation Tn squared whole power 1 by 2. This proves the Minkowski inequality. So both theorems are important. You just start well, practice. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.